What's up guys, and in today's episode we are going to be making stress balls, slime stress balls without balloons. And also welcome to our channel because we're just new and Daisy's not here today, which is my cousin, which is why I called it Life as Cousins. And yeah, so let's get straight with the video. Sorry about the lighting guys. I'm going to try and turn off the light. 2 minutes. No, Dad made it too dark, guys, so I'm really sorry about the lighting. My light. We're going to try and move it over here somewhere. It's good? Yeah. 2 minutes, I'll go get my slimes. Okay, so we're going to start by getting our slimes, the ones that we want to use. I'm going to put these. I'm going to put them down here. So, you're going to need to get a little bag. Then you want to take a slime that you want and put it into the bag. Not too much at a time though. So I'm going to add a little bit of my white slime. Actually no, this one is not the best sort of slime. So I'm going to add this little sort of peach slime. I think it's pretty cool because I mixed pink, orange and white together. You will probably need a lot of slime, not too much. And I've got Candy Floss Crunch, which is my favorite slime. It feels like a butter, but who cares? Feels so good. All of these are actually meant to be normal slimes. It actually turned out like butters, so. So basically I've had a good idea. I'm going to take this little peach top slime out, so then this way I can for Candy Floss Crunch. I don't know whether I do burnt orange, Candy Floss Crunch or melted marshmallow. Comment down below if what one you think would look best. So I'm just going to use the Candy Floss Crunch, which is a baby pink. So I'm just going to take it out of its bowl and put it. Oh, this needs more activator. I'm going to activate a little more. I'm using Candy Greens. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded a slime video, but I'm going to try to do that with my cousin, since this is my first ever video on Life as Cousins. So, I just decided to flip the bag over and then do that. So, this is like that, and I'm just going to add a little contact lens. So, the good thing about these is that you're not using a proper contact bag. You're not using an actual balloon, so you can actually reuse your slime. And these slime stress balls are so cool. Right. So now you want to try squeeze as much air as possible. Then you want to start twisting it around so it looks like that. Then you want to like put a little knot, and you may need an adult to help you. So it's like this, like a little sack. Then there's your stress ball done. So cool. It's like so stress relieving as well. You want to just make sure that this is super tight. Oh, yes it is. Be careful in case one of these pop or something. But just, this is popped open. It's super stressful even though. So, yeah. So you just maybe need to like double bag it, because guys, like my slime's just gonna keep growing out. So satisfying though coming out. I'll do some ASMR for you. Don't know if you guys can actually see this. See there guys. Alright. Come on. It's so satisfying though guys. Right. I'm gonna have to try to open up my bag, because it's kind of hard when there's been like a slime explosion. I'm just trying to pull out as much slime as possible out of this bag. You can use like any sort of bag, like a sandwich bag, but one that doesn't have like one of them resealable things, because them don't get on your nerves, but like they're harder to like tie and stuff. So I'm just trying to pull all this slime out of here. It's kind of hard. Oh, there. This slime is so, it's not sticky, but like, it's like kind of hard to get out of the bag. No access, any access. Get this out later, so otherwise you guys will be like literally here for ages whilst I'm just sitting here pulling out all this slime. So yeah, that was the DIY. Oh my gosh. That was the DIY stress balls without a balloon. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell, and make sure to comment down below what colour you would have thought the best stretch ball, either candy flash crunch, burn orange, which is just an orange, and melted marshmallows. Can you see this? And melted marshmallows. So see you guys on a different video with Daisy.